Hi, I'm Melinda Coletta, and this is my husband Phil Griffin. Together we're Professor Chef, and we teach you how to play with your food. So tonight we're going to be making shrimp scampi, and we're also going to be making something called shrimp cargo, which is take on escargot. So,
all right, ready?
Get them started.
All right, so we're taking our Gulf white shrimp, which we'll talk about in 2 seconds. We get butterflied them and clean them. You put them on a paper towel to dry off the moisture. Now we're putting them into a pan with 2 parts olive oil and 1 part canola oil.
So when we did these, we slit them the opposite way that you would slit them for baked stuffed shrimp. So these are all sliced down the back as opposed to down the underside of the shrimp. And
we butterfly them because it looks fancier and they're cooked faster that way. Right, they're bubbling a little bit because of
Sorry.
Is that better?
Yeah.
I know this one. You
that
know
one
what?
up.
It's more just.
Okay.
Sorry.
I'm going to add a little bit more oil. And into the center of that, I'm going to add about 4 cloves of garlic, maybe 5.
So we like to use sliced garlic as opposed to minced garlic because it doesn't burn. You don't have to be up on your game as much.
Yeah. If you can smell this. Oh.
Yeah, I know. So
it smells really, really good.
So when you slice the garlic, it gives you more wiggle room so it doesn't burn. Because if your garlic burns, it tastes bitter. So that's why we like to use.
Let's talk about garlic.
Garlic.
We have a toy. Garlic comes out peeled. What we found happening is this garlic's been around for a while, and it's this is fall garlic, so it's got a big piece in the center. I normally don't do this much extra work.
That green piece in the center
that
needs
should come
to come
out.
out. So we've left this like this on purpose. So it's actually the sprout. If you had planted this in the fall, this is what comes up in the spring. So it's not bad, it's just not great. So if you cut it open and get rid of this, a lot of people feel that this is what gives them heartburn when he dropped his lemon. Yeah, wash it. So while we're talking about that, garlic.
No, I gotta use the lemon juice in here.
He does.
It's getting away from us.
It's getting away from you. So the garlic is starting to brown and almost burn, so we're gonna put the brakes on it.
Put the lemon zest in there. Get that in there, get that some nice flavor from the lemon. Okay, if you look at the garlic, it's got a nice brown color to it right now. The shrimp really looks good. Now I gotta cool the pan down. I'm gonna cool the pan down with some white wine. Release that, and make some sauce with that.
So this is also. That's called deglazing the pan.
I have to roll the lemon, so I want to put some lemon juice in there.
Put your hand under it. Make sure you catch those seeds.
Oh my word!
He always
I do know what I'm doing.
He always drops them all the
Only
time.
when I make pesto, and then nobody knows the difference.
Yeah, I do. Okay, come in.
Right, that looks good. The shrimp looks like it's almost cooked.
Oh my God, it smells. See, I found the seed. I told you.
That's not a seed. That's not a seed. It's a piece of garlic.
Oh, damn it.
It is. It is a piece of garlic.
He's right. Oh well.
All right, so that looks pretty good. Now, put a little bit of salt and pepper in there. 1 1/4. That was less than a teaspoon. A little bit of black pepper.
He only uses kosher salt, so it looks a lot worse going in than it actually is.
All right, so it looks pretty good. Now we're going to shut this off. We're going to throw in a knob of butter. Oh yeah. Gotta have butter. And now we're going to swirl it in. And that's going to help thicken the sauce and get a nice rich sauce with it.
So the heat is off, and if you follow any of our other videos, this is something we do a lot. Shut the heat off and then add the butter at the last minute.
All right, and the reason why I do not cook with the butter at the beginning, because if I did, I wouldn't be able to brown that garlic the way I did. I wouldn't be able to get that high heat. That's why we use 1 part canola and 2 parts olive oil so I can get a nice heat on that. All right, so what I did before you guys started is I took some of those big stuffing mushrooms we had the other day, and I pan-seared them, browned them all up. And what we can do to make things look really fancy, you can take the shrimp and you can stick it inside them. You have something called
Shrimp cargo. All right. Now, what he's doing in this plate is just shrimp scampi. The only difference is it's on a mushroom.
And I like butterflying them because it just looks so much better. Could you serve this with pasta? Could you serve it over rice? Sure, but you know, this is just another way of doing it. There's a little bit of butter sauce.
Oops. Getting away of our camera person's
Sorry.
That's okay.
shot. So,
How does that look, guys?
I think that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Anyway.
All right.
All right. So, next week, we haven't had a meeting about this.
Next week is all about my gadgets. We're talking about kitchen gadgets. I always said toys. One of us says you can't say toys, so we said gadgets. So we're going to show you how to use a lot of different kitchen gadgets that we have. Monday we're starting off with a black bean burger, and we're doing it with some smoked cheese.
So we're going to show you our smoking gun.
Then
That's the only one I know about so far.
Tuesday we're doing a, hopefully it will work, a chocolate mousse with the ISI whipper.
Okay.
We're going to do some caviar pearls.
Okay.
That's your job.
Okay.
Wednesday we're going to be making cheesecake.
Oh.
Kahlua and butterscotch cheesecake
With
in
the
mason
ginger
jar.
snap crust in a mini mason jar. It's adorable. And delish.
Thursday, bloody raven wings. We're
Oh
taking
my
that from
God.
our Game of Thrones menu. Very unique item. We use a basting needle in that. That's the gadget in that
A
one.
marinade injector.
Yeah. The cheesecake is a sous vide cooking. That's the gadget in that one. And on Friday, because we're past Lent, we're going to do steak and potatoes.
Oh,
We're going to do a petite filet. We're going to cook that in the sous vide cooker. I'm going to show you how to make a holiday sauce
With
And-
a food processor.
with a food processor, and we're going to show you date night potatoes.
And what do I get that night?
You can have shrimp.
Okay. But I don't eat that beef stuff.
That's your problem, not mine.
Anyway, well, have a wonderful weekend and a happy Easter.
I hope the Easter Bunny is good.
I heard he's still on.
Oh, he's
Yeah.
I thought it was tasty.
Yeah, well,
Oh my
the
goodness.
Italian hopping chicken. Anyway, happy Easter. See you on Monday.